Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're out here. We're gonna be doing some goose hunting here in Wisconsin. We shot 4 and 3 pigeons. We should have had a limit, but stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy this footage that we got here today. Stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy.
You shooting them? Why? Right under the sun.
Here's our goose.
Now. Nice shot. I think Papa got that one. I'm gonna bring the shell with me.
Go north and come back later. Yeah, those two got the memo. Go north and come back later. Oh, they're gonna fly right over them. Boom.
I'm not calling, these went in. Now.
What the hell?
They might come back, they might come back.
Oh, hell, they ain't done it.
So, north flight, and where's Big Al right here? We got Big Al right here. We're just gonna push him out a little further. We just want them to have a landing spot. They're not really coming in the best, but we got here. Today we're running 12 North Flight honkers, 14 Big Owls, avionics. We're running avionics shells. Try them. Yeah. That was terrible. Call or not?
Well guys, that's gonna end this goose hunting video from today here. Hope you guys enjoyed. As you can tell, we should have limited. We shot early, we didn't shoot because we thought they were coming. We shot terrible. Yeah, those were only 3 things we could make up, but go down below and subscribe, give all my videos a big thumbs up, and we will catch you guys on the next episode.